Hi, let's talk about LAN and WAN networks. LAN stands for Local Area Network. An example of LAN is office or home network. Devices on a single LAN can connect with each other and only with each other. And here we have an example of an office. You will have multiple computers. You will have all of them, I'm assuming all of them are connected to that LAN. Beside computers, you will have some printers, you will have servers and other types of devices connected. And now different people working in different computers can cooperate with other people on the same network. So one person is completing some sort of task on one computer and can send then information, whatever results of his or her task is sent to another computer, to another person. And that way those people can communicate and work together. They can print out results, they can access servers or upload something to servers, and so on. Basically they can complete some sort of task working together in a network, which is called LAN, Local Area Network. Another very good example of LAN, Local Area Network, is your home. In your home, you will have multiple devices connected to the to your network. I myself, with my entire family, we have probably something around 8 devices. We have multiple smartphones, multiple computers, smart TV, tablets, stuff like that. It's a lot of it. And they're all connected. You could send files from one device to another. You can your smart TV can work with one, let's say your smartphone or your tablet, and you can cooperate kind of with that. You can have some storage device. You can have your local printer connected in the network, and it's all working together. Devices on a single LAN can connect with each other using the Ethernet cables and devices called switches, Ethernet switches, or simply switches. I'm sure you have seen plenty of Ethernet cables. That's more or less how it looks like. It's terminated with RJ45. That plug is called RJ45. It's pre-made cable, so it's kind of sealed in that plastic kind of thing, but still it's the same cable. It's RJ45 and Cat5, Cat5e cable connecting those RJ45s. There are basically two types of Ethernet cables which you may encounter when working at home or in office. One is straight through, another was crossover. When you're connecting, for instance, computer with computer, you would use crossover, meaning just two devices connected. But if you're connecting your computer to the network, you're using straight through cable. And the same as with the your office or home or office, the same would be with the cameras and your NVR network, the video recorder. Let's go further. That's an example of a switch or Ethernet switch, however we call it. You have all those ports. This switch seems to have 24 ports. They all also work with most likely with PoE. What is that? It says that it's a 1 gig Ethernet, and let's see if it says if it's a PoE or not. Speed. Okay, it doesn't say. It doesn't matter. And Anyway, you can connect your devices to different ports, and switch will be working like a device type of that will be connecting those devices together. LAN operates in one IP range, and all the devices connected to it must be in that IP range, which is also called subnet, in order to talk with each other. I will explain IP range and subnet in another lesson. So all those devices in your office or in your home must be in the same IP range in subnet to talk with each other. But what if you want, I don't know, one office to talk with another office, and one office is, I don't know, in Dublin, let's say in Dublin, and another one is in New York or London. So how those two LANs can talk with each other? And that's what internet is used for. You see those different people, each of them can represent one single LAN, and then you can have those connections will be the internet connecting those different people. So you can have person in one office talking with person with another person in another in office in another country, or you can have people talking, exchanging information between different homes, and so on. That's the internet. So what is internet? Internet is example of WAN, and WAN stands for Wide Area Network. WAN connects different LANs with each other. So LAN can connect to WAN, in our case it is the internet, via a device called router. One router on LAN 1 can talk with another router on LAN 2 over the internet. That is how LANs talk with each other. They exchange information over the internet. That's an example of some older router. And you can see a DSL connection. That's your connection to the internet, or WAN. You can call it that way also. And there is your Ethernet switch part. All your devices would be connected to that. This may also have obviously wireless connections. You can have some wireless devices, but this would be, let's say, a wired connection. And from your point of view, you call it router. Most people will call that's my home router, which provides me a network, an internet connection. But in reality, it is one box which has inside two boxes, one being router and one being switch, and they're connected together inside. That's kind of physically it's a one box, but logically inside it has two boxes, which one works as a switch for the network at your home or office, and this works like an internet connection to the external world, and they are connected with each other inside. And that's how it works. So what we're taking out of that is that we have different LANs connected with each other and exchanging information. Or you can have single LAN, like in this case, some office or home. But in our case, for CCTV, this won't be computer. Those will be your cameras. So you can have multiple cameras in the office connected to the LAN. Or you can have multiple cameras connected to the home network, your home network. You can have multiple cameras connected, and obviously your NVR or DVR. And that way you will be using that. Thank you.